Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Winnie the Pooh. So grab your marker and follow along with me. Right here in the middle of the page, on the top part, I'm going to draw a little line, a curvy line that curves upwards. This is going to be the top of Winnie the Pooh. And then right next to this line, so I make it a bit skew, and next to the line, you're going to draw the eyes. So we're just going to draw the bottom part of the eyes, two of them like this, and you're going to make it nice and round at the top. And there we have two little button eyes. Let's fill the eyes in. Now right on top, we're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to go from the bottom, and I'm going to draw the line to the top. From the bottom to the top. Two little eyebrows. And now we can draw the nose. So this is sort of a triangular shaped nose. Right below this line, you're going to draw a little nose, and you can make the sides nice and curvy, nice and round. And let's fill the nose in as well. So we'll build the face up now. And right below, we're going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to draw the sides of the mouth, the corners. I'm just going to draw two little corners on both sides. And now we're going to make a nice curvy line, and we're going to connect the corners. And there's the face. Right on top, not too far above the eyebrows, you're going to draw a little curve. That's going to be the top of Pooh's head. There we go. And then we're going to leave a space open, and you're just going to draw a little side down, and on this side make it nice and round. You can draw a little side down, maybe up to there, to the bottom of the eye. And now on top, we're going to draw ears. And I'm going to draw a little ear standing up. And on this side, the ear can slump a little bit over to this side as well. And there are the two ears. And now we can go to the cheeks. Now these are going to be nice round cheeks. You're just going to make one on this side, and you can make this cheek a little bit shorter. So make this longer and a shorter line. And now we're going to draw the collar of his shirt. We're just going to make a nice curvy line, maybe to the middle, like this. And then a little bit down, you're going to go up again. And you're going to take it all the way to the cheek. And now we can draw the collar. And on this side, I'm just going to draw a little collar down. And I'll make it a little bit curvy down like this. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing, a little collar. Bring it down, nice and curvy. There we have two collars. And then here at the bottom, we can make a little fold behind the collar. And now let's try to draw the shirt. On this side, I'm just going to draw a little hook going out. And then here, I'm going to make it nice and wavy. And let it connect like this. And on this side, I'm going to, or let's try first. Let's do the shoulder. I'll do a little shoulder there. Now, I'm going to leave this side because I want to draw Pooh's beautiful round belly. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw first a beautiful round belly all the way around, and then I'll just connect it to the shirt. Now on this side we can continue. So we can start with a little shirt, and we're going to bring it around and touch the belly at the bottom and make a little fold up. And now we can draw the shoulder. A little short sleeve shirt. And now for the arms. Folding behind his back. And let's make a little crease there as well for his shirt. There we go. And now it's time for the legs. The first thing I do is I make two little lines for the insides of the legs, just to give me a place to go. And then on the outside, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a nice curvy leg, and I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to copy it on this side as well, a nice curvy leg like that. And now we can draw his feet. So what I usually do is let's start at the top, and I'm going to make it nice and round, see, because his feet are pointing inwards. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. And I'm going to copy that. And there we go. And there's Pooh Bear. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your picture will turn out beautifully. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.